Hey guys, listen, I just wanted to say a big thank you to these guys for sending me the product. They asked if I would do a video on it, and I did. Hopefully there's enough clarity on the video for you to see. On the passenger side, I thought it was going to be probably the least trouble. Turned out that the driver's side was lickety split, and the passenger side was a damn of a job. So I said a few head-out words, so I may have to voice over this video, but quickly take you through just in case it's not clear on the video. If you can take the housing off, there's two 10mm screws, and if you can take those screws out and lift up, there's a little start that goes in a hole on the one side of the light, but on the fender there's a little clip, and in the housing for the headlight clips over. I could not get that off no matter what I did. I didn't want to break it, but if yours comes off pretty easy, then it's an easy job. You just take the housing and you can put it on your bench if you want. But if not, if you're going to have to do what I did, you take the rubber dust cap off and you push down and pull off the harness. There's a retainer ring in there, and you'll turn it about a quarter turn counterclockwise, and you'll pull that ring off. If you drop it, because it's so tight of a space, if you drop it, the flat side goes in. So remember that. The bulb, once you get the retainer ring off, the bulb, you may think that it's screwed in there, but it's not. Just pull straight out. There's a hole ring on there, so you're going to think, wow, I'm going to pull the headlight right off of this car, but it'll come straight out. Replace it, it's just the opposite. The little rubber boot. You pull out the plug. A little retainer. Pull straight out. These are what we're putting in. They were nice enough to send me a sample. Notch knob goes up top. Move your harness out of the way. So it goes in with that knob just slightly, if you're facing it this way, slightly clockwise, just a touch. Put your harness through the ring. You could take the whole headlight out, but I didn't want to do that. Alright. It's kind of in there good enough. Nope. Spoke too soon. This is a simple job that's going to turn into a nightmare. Guaranteed. You know what? Let's take the wow, 10 mil. We're going to try to take light out. That. This screw right here is the adjuster for your beam. Okay, there's another one right here. Under all the dirt. Sort of fitting. Alright, it's on there. You know what? I'm going to turn the light on first. It's working. But screws back in when your hands is full of arthritis. There's a one there you can do anything. All you can do is make fun at John Clem. Okay, we'll take the boot off. Pull this plug out. This goes counterclockwise. Take it out. The flat edge goes in. And that guaranteed never to actually go back in again. Now, I've seen on Bruce L's channel, and he replaced some, and he was very happy with it. So, if Bruce L was happy with it, then definitely I'm happy with it. I was doing so well. Now that went in there, no problem. There. Yeah. It's on. It's on, Buttercup. Not bad. See how yellow the thing is? Right there, like that.